Hello and welcome back. So in this video we are going to be looking at how we can create matrices in Python stroke NumPy. Okay. In the last video we saw how we could install these necessary libraries or softwares. We installed Python, we installed NumPy, and also we installed an Anaconda distribution. And the video before that we looked at what matrices are and different properties we have in matrices. So if you've not watched those videos, I'm going to put the link in the description below. You go ahead to watch those videos before you come to this. That's going to help out a lot. Okay. However, if you're not interested in the practical aspects of this series, like I explained in my other videos, you can go ahead and skip this video and then move down to the next theoretical part, which has nothing to do with Python. Okay. So let's get started. So in the last video, after we installed Python, we went ahead to check if Python is successfully installed. So what we are going to do now is to see how we can use the IDEs that comes with the Python interpreter. So we have this IDE that we call idle. It comes with the Python interpreter. You can just search for it, idle. So once you fire up idle, what you need to do is to import the necessary library, in this case numpy, that we are working with. So we are going to import numpy and then use numpy to create matrices. So how do we import numpy? We say import numpy, so that's it, numpy, but we give it an alias of np. Now np is one thing you can use, or you can decide to use anything you want to use in place of np. It's an identifier, but this has been the custom, okay, in the Python community to use np as the alias for numpy. So that's what we are going to be working with. So once you import numpy as np, next you can go ahead and start creating your matrices. So I'm going to call the matrix a, and I'll say it is np.matrix. Okay, so I want to create a 2 by 2 matrix, a matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. All I need to do is to say, okay, I want a matrix that is having 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is a matrix itself. I have to put in the first row. So the first row is going to have 2 and 6. The second row I have 3 and 6, for instance. So what I have here is this. This is a matrix itself, and this matrix is having 2 items. So the 2 items the matrix is having are what you call the rows. So it's having this item, which is the first row, and it's having this item, which is the second row. But in each of these rows there are 2 items, or those are the columns. So this is having 2 items, 6 and 2 and 6, that's the first and second column in the first row. There's also 2 items, 3 and 6, the first and second columns in the second row. Okay, so that's how you, so don't forget, don't make the mistake of leaving out these brackets. This is not going to work out fine. Okay, you have to make sure you have that last bracket embodying everything, and that's going to work out just fine for you. So this is the first matrix we have. We can look it up, and that's the matrix: the first row, the second row, the first column, the second column. So we go ahead to create another matrix, b. So b is going to be numpy. So I want this to be a 3 by 2 matrix, so I can say numpy.matrix. So this is going to be a 3 by 2 matrix. So I'll have within this I have the first matrix 3 by 2, so I need to have 3 by 2. So I need 3 elements inside of the matrix itself, but each of them having 2 values in them, right? So I have let's say 7 and minus 1. So I have, these are the 3 elements, so that's 3 rows. Then I have to close everything, then I have to close my function. Okay, so I have the first row, the second row, the third row. Please always look out for your bracket. Make sure you don't leave any bracket unclosed or uncatered for. You have to make sure you close all of them. So these are the 3 rows. This is a matrix itself. Everything I have here is a matrix itself. So for each row I have 2 values, so that's what makes it 2 columns. The first row, the second row, this is the third row. Okay, so now don't mind the fact that I'm using capital letter here. You can go ahead and use small letter if you wish, but know that Python is case sensitive. Okay, so I have b, but if I go ahead to check for small letter b, it is not defined because I didn't define anything like small letter b. So we've created a and we've created b. Now let's create a row vector or a row matrix and also a column matrix, and that's going to be the end of this video. So let's call that c. I'll say this is numpy.matrix. Okay, so I want just one row, so I'm going to say within this I have just, this is one row, that is c. So you can see we have just one row, but if I need just one column, so I'm going to call that d numpy.matrix. So I need just one column. So for the fact that I need just one column, it means I have this as a matrix, then within it I'm going to have too many rows. So let's say for instance I need 4 rows and 1 column. So I have 1, that's the first row, 8, that's the second row, 6, that's the third row, and finally let's say I have -4, and that's the fourth row. So you can see I'm trying to make sure I cover all the brackets. So if you try what z is, this is what we have: 4 rows and 1 column. So that's, guys, on how you can create matrices in Python, okay, or NumPy. That's how you create matrices. So go ahead, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share it amongst your friends that you know really needs this, and I'll see you guys in next video, where we're going to be looking at how to get the shape, the order, the size of matrices in NumPy. Okay, bye bye.